Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our TK-350 fiber optic stripper and Kevlar shears kit. So the tool consists of our best-selling JIC-186 Kevlar cutter. Quickly go over the scissor. It has stainless steel blades, serrated edge on one side for holding Kevlar in place while cutting. It is super sharp. Has dual component material handle and is ergonomically designed for comfort. Second is our very popular JIC-375 three-hole fiber stripper. It's designed to strip jackets from 1.6 to 3 millimeters. The top hole is, the center hole on this tool is designed to strip the buffer coating from fiber from 600 to 900 microns in diameter. And the third hole will strip your acrylate coating, getting you down to your 125 micron fiber. The tool is made of high carbon steel and is about 6 inches long. The pouch is PVC material and is specifically fitted for these two tools. It has a metal belt clip in the back for strength and stability, and as you can see, tools fit great in it. Open the belt clip, put it on your belt, you're done.